Hi everyone, welcome to Finedu Simplified. Have you ever wondered where people buy and sell shares, bonds, or mutual funds? That place is called the securities market. And in this video, I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it matters to you. Okay, let's start with the securities market. What exactly securities market is? The securities market is a place where people buy and sell financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and mutual fund units. Think of it as a marketplace for investment. Just like you go to the vegetable market to buy vegetables, here investors come to trade securities. It helps companies raise money and helps individuals grow their wealth. Let's see why it's important. The securities market plays a key role in the economy. First is it helps businesses get funds to grow, and the second is it gives investor a chance to earn returns. Third is it allows money to flow from savers to borrowers efficiently. This means you can invest and companies can expand. So this is a win-win for the economy. Now, jump towards the next topic, types of securities market. There are two main parts of securities market. First one is primary market. This is where a new securities are issued for the first time. Example, when companies launches an IPO. IPO means initial public offering. You have surely heard about it. Another one is secondary market. This is where investors buy and sell existing securities. Example, you buying or selling shares on platforms like NSE or BSE. In simple terms, primary is first sale, secondary resale among investors. Now, who participates in the securities market? There are issuers like companies or governments, investors like you and me, intermediaries like brokers, depositories, and many more. There are lots of intermediaries. We will discuss it further in upcoming videos. So they all work together to ensure smooth buying and selling of securities. That's it for today's video. I hope now you understand what the securities market is and why it's important for us and our economy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simplified finance content every week.